Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back for today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create files and to delete your project. Right now in Unreal Engine, you cannot make a folder and you cannot delete it. You have to do this all manually, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that step by step. What we're going to do is close down our project, and we're going to head inside of our documents, where this is where my project's located. I don't know where yours could be, but that's where mine's at. We're going to head inside of our source and to our tutorial project, and then we're going to have our files right here, our C++ files. What we're going to do, I'm going to go up here to create two folders, or you can right click it and click new and folder. I'm gonna rename this one to framework and this one into players. I'm gonna put my character CPP and header inside of our player, and then the same goes with game mode. I'm gonna put that inside of our framework. After we got that, we're gonna head out. We're gonna delete our SLN, intermediate, and binary. So there's three folders. So after you have done that, we're going to right click our project. We're going to generate our SLN project back. After we do that, we're going to head inside of it, and then we're going to rebuild our project. Do not go inside your project, because it would rebuild there, but it's going to crash. I don't know what's the deal about that, but this is a much safer way to do it and the most recommended way to do so once we're inside, we're going to build our project. I'm going to click Ctrl+Shift+B. That's the quick shortcut for it. Or you can come up here to build, and you can build the solution also right here. After that's completed, we're going to head out of here. If you get any errors, let me know down in the comments. I could probably help you guys out. After that, we're going to head inside of our project. We're going to load it back up, and it should load up as normal. If you didn't do it right, it might show the rebuild thing, which hopefully it doesn't. After that, we're gonna head in here. We're gonna see all of our projects. We're gonna see our game mode and then our character. We're gonna close it back down. We're gonna be showing you guys how to delete it now. Okay, so we're gonna head inside of our source, tutorial project, and I'm gonna delete our game mode, I guess. We're just gonna click delete both. We're gonna head back out. We're gonna do the same process, delete the SLN, intermediate, and then binaries. After we delete those three files, we're going to right click onto our project, and we're going to generate it again. And then after that, we're going to head inside of our SLN, rebuild it, and it should succeed. And then we should head back inside of our Unreal Engine, and then it should be deleted. So I'm going to meet y'all guys inside of Unreal. All right, we're back inside of our project. We do not see our framework folder at all. It has been deleted, and also with the game mode. But if we head inside of our folder, we will see the framework still here. It hasn't deleted the folder, but it has deleted their class. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little short video. If you haven't checked out last episode or last video, was our character movement. It also shows how to navigate around Unreal Engine, showing the cover over some of the basics. And then yeah, what I want to do next episode, which I was supposed to do, but I didn't have the time for today, we're going to be doing animations, and then after that we're going to do raycast and a bunch of other cool stuff. So I'll meet you guys in the next episode. I'll see you right there.